Okay guys, so now we're getting the most important part, as I said earlier, about this little tap that is able to, if you don't be careful, it's gonna jump over you're gonna lose it if you don't take care of it, because it's flexible and it's hard to remove. So to make sure that, that's why I'm choosing this table. As you see, the background is dark, so even it's jump over to somewhere, then you're gonna be easy to find it. And what I'm trying to do now is to use a tape to make it stabilized. Then I use like a very thin screwdriver like this to remove this tab. You see that? Okay, now it's done. Awesome. It's because oops, it jumped. Look, it jumped over to here. You see that? Right, cool, we got it. You see that it jumped over to here? That's what I'm saying. You have to really be careful. How are we gonna put it back? So we're gonna put it here, yeah, just to make sure it's not gonna lose. So right now we got this one here removed already. And we got a new gears, so like this, to get them replaced. How are we gonna do it? It's because this is no longer important. The original gear can be removed. We can just simply cut them or just bend them. It just doesn't really matter now. Oh yeah, one more thing, you have to be careful about the back, because it has like the tooth here. So you have to be careful. And we're gonna now to remove this gear. To break it, actually we can just simply break it because it's damaged anyway already. Let's see if we can just remove it from here, which will be easier. Oh yeah, so it's gonna be careful to make sure it's not gonna, this metal thing is not going to getting out of the shape. Oh, here we got it. This is removed. So this one we can dump it. So now it's no longer it's becoming useless now. So now here we have, then we're using, oops, I'm gonna put it here. So we just choose one. Like, that's a new one. To put it back in. Where was it? Yeah. So here we go. We get it. Very easy. Just put them back in. Very easy, and make sure that it's flat. Make sure it's allocated correctly. Yeah, this is awesome here. Right? So it's very flat now. Just as it fit, right? It fit very well. Then we're gonna put them back. All right, actually we don't have to clean this up, because we can put some oil, and we can clean this bit for, yeah, we can clean this gear. How are we gonna do it? This is like, I'm gonna use like 95% of alcohol to clean the gear of this bit, because it's, let me zoom in a little. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this bit. It's like 95% of alcohol. And where else? Yeah, basically here is all. This is alright. This is alright. This is alright. This is alright. So we probably can clean this bit, the back of it. Or not. It's not important anyway, but we have to make sure that we can put some like this. One more thing. Use some oil. What do you call it? How to say in English? This oil. Vaseline oil like this, just a little bit. Oops. Like that. Look, the Vaseline oil. Like that. Just put a little bit. Don't put it too much because if you put too much, these gears will become very oily. Then if you don't want this whole device becoming really oily, so you just use a little bit to put some Vaseline here at the back of this gear, like that. Just a little bit, not too much. Alright, I can drop this. Then we're ready to go. Alright, is it? It's not that. Okay, this is too much. Okay, that's alright. Then, okay, so here we go. We're gonna put them back in. Where was it? Oh yeah, I got it. So now, pretty good. Just have to be careful again about this tab. So how are we gonna put them back? We're gonna put them back like that. With some screwdrivers to push it and make us to let it go. This is gonna, whoa. I guess should be one edge go first, and second, if at a certain degree, if one edge has been pulled in, the rest of other will, the whole roundish the angles will be can be done easier. So, oops. There we go. Yay! So we're done. Here we go. We're done. Now it's cool now. Shall we clean up a little bit to make it look better? You can probably just use some maybe alcohols or maybe some to make it look cleaner, like that. That's it. So that's it. Let's try if it's running nicely. Okay, you see that? Add it back. Perfect. You don't hear the sound, the noise. There's no noise. It looks like no noise now. If you want, you can put more Vaseline around here. This add some of these gears in between, not too much, just a little bit will do. And here as well. Oops, I should. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I basically, this part has been, oh yeah, one more thing. As I said earlier, we have already cleaned we have already cleaned these two wheels, 2 eggs, and these 2 wheels has been cleaned. So we're gonna this wheel, the rubber wheel, has been cleaned. So we're gonna put everything back in now. Afterwards, everything will be done like this. Looks perfect now. Look. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then you're welcome to just feel free to ask, and we can share our experience. Thank you very much.